Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Memeinator token. Ticker symbol is MMTR. This token is just starting their pre-sale right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, your meme's survival is not up to you. It's up to me. Mission. I've returned from 2077 with a mission to capture and destroy the weakest memes. So this is the Memeinator. And so the Memeinator has a web page here. You can find at memeinator.com and then /EN for English. So maybe this has different language pages here from around the world. I'm not sure where. But if you go to that page there, it says, Memeinator, judgment is coming. The countdown to the pre-sale has begun. Come with me if you want to live, which is a famous Arnold line from Terminator. And it has a countdown here. So the pre-sale is about to start in around 9 days. As of recording this video, it's the countdown. It goes 9 days, 21 hours, 2 minutes, 50 seconds. And it's counting down. It says, join the wait list to be first to join our pre-sale. So the pre-sale has not even started yet. You still have over a week to go check it out and get on this wait list if you want to. So they have a place to put in your email or mobile number. And it says, I accept that Memeinator can contact me via digital communication. Unsubscribing is possible at any time. Details on how my personal data is processed. They have a privacy policy. You could check that out. So you'd put in your email or your mobile, then you click notify me. And so that's going to give you the information on how to get involved in this pre-sale via your email or phone number there. They do have a contact email if you want to reach out to them. contact@memeinator.com. And then they also have an insane amount of socials. So on their page here, they have a Telegram. They have a Discord group you can join. Medium articles. There wasn't any Medium articles yet. I did check. There was an article where I did see this listed on a website called thecoinrepublic.com. They were talking about the Memeinator pre-sale. We're going to talk about a little bit of what's said in that article here. But if you go to their Telegram, they already have 7,316 Telegram members at Memeinator Official on Telegram. It says, forged from the depths of meme culture, a fusion of advanced technology, cutting-edge AI mastery, and a cold, ruthless meme targeting system, the Memeinator has emerged as the game changer of the leader of the resistance. So you can check that out there. They also have a full link tree that you can find on their Twitter that has sign up. They have their X or Twitter, Discord, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Medium articles. They have tons of socials. Linktree /the Memeinator Official. That's where you're going to find all the links. Their Twitter has 40 tweets already, so there's a lot of info on there. They're also doing contests. You could win $500. It says you want to win $500, earn it, follow, like, retweet, comment, a meme coin for termination. Weak ones will be crushed, enlist now. So yeah, you can check all that out. Come with me if you want to vote. So they have a really cool Twitter that has lots of cool contests and tweets and everything like that. Blue verified check mark on the Twitter. So yeah, go check that out. I'm going to put their Twitter link right up here so you guys could see it. It's just all Arnold memes, hasta la vista, the Memeinator, all that type of stuff. So it says, the future cannot be written, but the start of my pre-sale is September 27th. So that's exactly when the pre-sale will start. And it has sign-up links all over their Twitter. If you just go to their Twitter and check it out. Their Twitter has 13,000 Twitter followers, and they just joined in May. And you can see that they have a full link tree right there on their Twitter that you could check out. So that's where I would start, is just go to their Twitter. Full link tree there, all the sign-up links, everything like that. Now, this Coin Republic article has a lot of info on it. So it says they're blasting to a $1 billion market cap here. So the meme coin sector has accumulated $37 billion as of August 2023. So that's what they're trying to capitalize on. So it says the Memeinator is launching its Mmtr token presale September 27th. So that's the ticker symbol, Mmtr. And it says, what is the Memeinator? It's a new cryptocurrency drawing inspiration from the iconic movie Terminator. Obviously, unlike the majority of meme coin projects, the Memeinator unleashes everything in its arsenal to dominate the market, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. The project will also release a first-person shooter game as part of its roadmap, it says here. So they're going to rival against Pepe, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. It's a nod to Terminator 2. So the first out of 29 pre-sale stages. So there's 29 pre-sale stages. So early investors obviously will have a cheaper price. And tokens will be at 1 penny, earning a massive 132% in profits by the time they reach the 29th stage of the presale, which will end in a 4.85 cents price per token. So it's going to progressively become, more expensive as the presale goes on. So they talk about that in their in this news article here. So they're going to draw attention, obviously, with their meme warfare. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of tweeting and social media type of stuff here. And a lot of meme coins do this, starting from the very first original Shiba Inu is supposedly the Doge killer. And then we got, other tokens claiming to be the Shiba Inu killer and this and that. So this is the very similar thing. It's got a big disclaimer on here, of course. Always read the disclaimers. And yeah, there's not much info as of yet, but that is basically in a nutshell what is happening. Is there's 29 pre-sale stages, start September 27th. They're going to have a first-person shooter game. They're going to use artificial intelligence, and the price will continuously go up. And as of right now, you can get on the wait list. There's a countdown on their page, Memeinator.com. Go check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.